Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I will show you that how to fix the FPS drops or the stuttering error after NVIDIA update 528.02. So I will show you the two methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. In our first method, you have to just right click on your Windows icon at the bottom left and then click on the device manager. After opening up the device manager, you have to just find an option of display adapter. Just expand this and here you will find your NVIDIA graphic driver. As I have not installed, so I have not find here, but you have to do exactly the same that I am guiding you. So you need to just right click on your NVIDIA graphic driver and then click on the properties. So you will find here as a step of the pop-up, you have to just click on the drivers option and you will find here an option of the rollback driver. Just click on it and after completing this process you have to just click OK. And completing this process you have to just restart your game and your problem will be fixed. After restarting your game you have to just click on the escape and after this click on the options and open the graphics and check here that the max foreground FPS toggle option is disabled. If not, then you have to just disable it and after this restart your game and your problem will be fixed. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.